The intricate relationship between West Bengal and Bangladesh is a tapestry woven from threads of shared history, language, and culture. Yet it has become increasingly frayed by the political dynamics of the present. The Bengali identity, rooted in a common linguistic heritage and cultural practices, transcends the borders established during the tumultuous partition of 1947 and the subsequent creation of Bangladesh in 1971. For centuries, the people of these regions have celebrated their shared festivals, literature, and art, fostering a sense of belonging that often eclipses the political divides. However, as the rise of Hindu nationalist groups, particularly the Bhartiya Janata Party, BJP, reshapes the narrative surrounding identity and migration, the bonds that once seemed unbreakable are now under scrutiny. The BJP's policies, notably the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, and the National Register of Citizens, NRC, have sparked intense discussions about migration from Bangladesh, particularly concerning Muslim communities. Framed as a national security measure, the BJP has portrayed illegal immigration as a threat, invoking fears of demographic changes that could undermine the Hindu majority in India. This narrative, however, is not without its critics. Many argue that the CAA and NRC are discriminatory, targeting Bengali Muslims while sidelining the historical connections that have long defined the relationship between the two Bengals. The policies have been perceived as an attempt to redefine citizenship along religious lines, contradicting the secular ideals that have traditionally characterized the region. As the BJP emphasizes cases of religious persecution faced by Hindus in Bangladesh, it positions itself as the protector of Hindu interests, resonating with a segment of the Bengali Hindu population. This framing has led to a growing sense of insecurity among Bengali Muslims, who find themselves caught in a political crossfire that seeks to redefine their identity based on religion rather than culture or shared history. The BJP's narrative, which often equates Bengali Muslim migrants with illegal immigrants, has further exacerbated tensions, leading to a polarization that threatens the essence of the Bengali identity. The resulting friction between the historically secular Bengali identity of West Bengal and the Hindu nationalist agenda is palpable. Many in West Bengal view the BJP's policies as an affront to the region's inclusive heritage, which has celebrated diversity and coexistence. The political rhetoric has ignited debates about what it means to be Bengali, with some arguing that the BJP's approach undermines the very fabric of the culture that binds the two Bengals together. The fear is that the narrative being constructed is one that seeks to erase the nuances of identity in favor of a monolithic view that prioritizes religion over shared cultural experiences. Despite these tensions, the enduring cultural and economic ties between West Bengal and Bangladesh remain resilient. Trade and tourism continue to flourish, with countless individuals crossing the borders for business, family visits, and cultural exchanges. Festivals like Durga Puja and Pohela Boishakh are celebrated with fervor on both sides, illustrating that the bonds of culture and tradition can still transcend political divides. Personal interactions, too, reflect a deep-rooted familiarity, with families straddling the border and communities sharing resources and experiences. As political narratives continue to evolve, the challenge lies in reconciling the historical connections that have long defined the relationship between West Bengal and Bangladesh with the contemporary realities shaped by nationalism and identity politics. The hope is that, amidst the rising tensions, the voices advocating for unity and cultural celebration will prevail, reminding both nations of their shared past and the potential for a future that honors their intertwined destinies. The Bengali identity, rich in its diversity and resilience, has the capacity to endure and thrive, even in the face of attempts to recontextualize its essence through a narrow lens. In this intricate dance of history, politics, and culture, the enduring ties between West Bengal and Bangladesh serve as a testament to the power of shared identity in navigating the complexities of the present.